Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best bathroom mirrors in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Hamilton Hills 20x 30-inch frameless pivot mirrors for bathrooms with oil-rubbed bronze rounded wall brackets, rectangular tilting, and farmhouse wall-mounted vanity, hangs horizontally and vertically. We chose the Hamilton Hills large pivot rectangle mirror with brushed chrome wall anchors as the best bathroom mirror overall because it's versatile and functional. While moderately easy to install, you may need the help of an additional person to support the weight of the mirror as you secure the pivots. It comes in 5 finishes and 3 sizes, so you can find the perfect fit for your bathroom. The mirror pivots to provide the perfect angle no matter your height, making it a nice choice for households with various members who might have different needs. It weighs 14.6 pounds, can be hung vertically or horizontally, and is backed with security vinyl to ensure safety and stability. The mirror is frameless, which is a very specific and modern-looking style. If you're looking for a framed look, this is not the best bathroom mirror for you. Number 4. CoHRO's square beveled polished frameless wall mirror for bathroom, vanity, bedroom, 24 square. Looking for a square bathroom mirror that's both stylish and functional? We recommend the CoHRO's square beveled polished frameless wall mirror. Its beveled edges give it a touch of sophistication without being too over the top, making the mirror's simplicity one of its best features. The square mirror only comes in one size, but the smooth, hand-polished edges help accentuate its overall size and possibly even make your bathroom look larger. If you're tight on space and want to maximize the style factor, consider incorporating tile patterns or designs around the small mirror to create a visually striking backdrop. Or embrace the mirror's simplicity and add a single vase with fresh flowers or a minimalist soap dispenser to keep a clean and cohesive look. Number 3. Amazon Basics Rectangular Wall Mirror 16x20. Standard trim, black. If you're not the handiest person when it comes to home improvement, you'll need a bathroom mirror that's lightweight and easy to install. The Amazon Basics Rectangular Wall Mirror is the best bathroom mirror for dyers looking for quick and hassle-free installation. This mirror comes in 4 colors and 3 sizes. You can also choose from standard, wide, decorative, and peaked trim options depending on your bathroom style. And at 16x20 inches and weighing only 4.5 pounds, this mirror is easy to handle and mount on the wall. It's worth mentioning that the frame is made from plastic, which isn't as durable or luxurious as materials like metal or wood, but it doesn't look cheap or flimsy. The mirror also comes with all the hardware needed for installation, so you can have it up within minutes of unboxing it. Number 2. NUJAC Single Beveled Edge Frameless Wall Mount Bathroom Vanity Mirror 20x28. Aside from making spaces appear larger, wall mirrors offer a tactful, stylish way to hide imperfections, maximize light, and provide a second look at your favorite accents. This mirror can be mounted both vertically or horizontal, perfect for over-the-bathroom vanity. It's perfect for your modern bathroom needs. The SNUJAC Frameless Bathroom Mirror is a stylish choice for your bathroom. With its sleek, modern design and solid wood backing, this mirror is both beautiful and durable. The copper-free silver material adds to this durability, since it's more resistant to corrosion than traditional silver mirrors. The absence of a frame allows the mirror to take center stage. This minimalist design can be further enhanced by keeping the surrounding decor simple and uncluttered. Number 1. Furniture of America G Industrial Metal Wall Mirror in Antique Black. With its industrial and unique appearance, this wall mirror gives a distinctive update ideal for any home. Watch everyone admire how the pipe-like frame provides plenty of character with its copper accents. The replicated wood frame provides sturdy support to hold the beveled mirror in place in either a landscape or portrait orientation. With natural tone replicated wood and antique black metal combining for a sturdy frame, this desk is a great choice to bring industrial elements into your home.